Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to share with you one of my favorite seated poses, the deer pose. This is a beginner level pose that targets the glutes and the hip flexors. This pose involves internal as well as external rotation of the hips. Now, I won't be demonstrating this pose with props, but you're more than welcome to sit on a firm cushion. Beginning in butterfly pose, bringing the soles of the feet together, allowing the knees to open, softening through the hips, and come into a forward fold with a rounded spine, relaxing through the shoulders and the neck. Slowly round back up. Let's take that right side of your butterfly legs and reverse it in the opposite direction. Walk both arms over to the left side of the body, sitting up nice and tall, lifted through the chest. Keep that left side of the chest drawn back. Start walking the hands away from the body. Stay right here or walk the hands further away, coming down onto the elbows, or deeper yet, resting the head all the way down to the floor. Breathe naturally and soften the body. You might feel a nice stretch down the outer right hip and down into the lower right side of the spine. Hold this for as long as you would like. Then go ahead and slowly start walking back up to a seated upright position. To intensify the stretch even further, gaze over the left shoulder, completing that whole chain of the spinal rotation. Come back to center. Grab a hold of the right shin. Reach the left arm up over the head and a big side body bend to the right. Enjoying that side body stretch down the left side. Bring the arm back down. Swing the right side of the butterfly leg back to center. Soles of the feet together. Let's repeat deer pose on the opposite side. Swinging the left leg around backward. Walk the arms over to the right side of the body. Chest facing toward the right. Walking the hands away from the body. Coming down to the elbows, or lying all the way down, settling the forehead onto the mat. Noticing the sensation of the stretch down the whole left side, from the left hip to the lower left spine, as we experience that internal rotation of the left hip and the external rotation of the right hip. Slowly start walking the arms back in, sitting upright. Draw the right side of the chest back, gaze over the right shoulder. Twisting through the whole length of the spine, return back to center, reaching the right arm up, big side body bend to the left, gazing up, opening up through the chest, release the arm back down, bring the legs back around, shake them out, find a comfortable seated position. Feel free to repeat the pose as many times as you'd like, or hold the pose longer than we did in this video. Thanks for joining me for our deer pose today. As always, like, subscribe, and feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think of the pose. I'll see you in the next video.